Sellfy has tailored its offering to the e-commerce needs of creatives, which makes the platform ideal for selling digital products and subscriptions. How easy is it to create an online store? What is Sellfy? Sellfy is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows pretty much anyone to create an online store. The company targets authors, designers, musicians, or directors, who can sell their creations on Sellfy with relative ease. In this review, we'll take a look at whether Sellfy is really as hassle-free as it claims to be, and what sets it apart from other, similar, e-commerce platforms. Like most e-commerce platforms, Sellfy offers a free trial, which doesn't require you to input payment information. As such, registering is a breeze. Simply click on Start Free Trial on the service's homepage, enter your email address, set a password, and name your store. Then, answer a few questions about your shop and how many customers you expect. After that, you're already in the dashboard. Sellfy promises to help sell products hassle-free, but is it really so easy? When you enter the user interface for the first time, the Setup Assistant will help you to create your online store. First, you'll be taken to the Product Management section, followed by the Design section, Payment Settings, and finally, an advertisement for upgrading to the service's paid version. Before you take this step, let us walk you through the service as we experienced it. The dashboard makes a good impression, with all navigation occurring through the blue sidebar to the left, which contains sections titled Overview, Products, Orders, Marketing, Apps, and Store Settings. In the bottom left, after clicking on Account, a menu will open, in which you can edit your account settings, payment details, and contact options. The service's Setup Assistant takes you through the first steps of using Sellfy. By selecting Overview and clicking on View My Store, you'll be taken directly to your online store. Here, in the Analytics area, you can find a statistical summary, as well as an overview of your customers and subscriptions, orders. The overview provides you with all the most important information about your online store, orders, and customers. By clicking on Store Settings, you can adjust its main currency, the number of payment options available, and taxes. In addition, you'll be able to edit the default email that is sent to customers after making a purchase. Users can specify their currency preferences and tax settings in the Store Settings menu. After just a few minutes of use, it became pretty clear to us that Sellfy wants to appeal to as many types of users as possible. The platform's learning curve is flat, and we're certain that even the most inexperienced user will just nothing more than a few moments to get acquainted with it. For our tastes, the grouping of certain features didn't always make sense. For example, product categories are created under General Settings, instead of in the Product Inventory area. With that said, there's no doubt in our minds that Sellfy is user-friendly. Personalizing your store. You can access your store's site builder by clicking on Store Settings, Customization. Here, Sellfy's ease of use shows its first drawback in the complete absence of templates. Whereas other platforms provide a variety of designs users can choose from, Sellfy has only a single basic template. Sellfy's site, Store Builder, is easy to use, but greatly inhibits creative freedom. Using the drop-down menu in the upper left, it's possible to jump between your store's different pages and create new subpages. These appear automatically in the menu bar. In the Pages menu, you'll find the content blocks for each page, hero blocks for catchy images, text blocks, product blocks, and newsletter and contact forms. Their arrangement in the menu determines each block's position in your store. Menu items or product types can be dragged and dropped directly onto the page. The store builder has some drag and drop functionality, but not much. In the upper menu bar, it's also possible to switch between the web and mobile views of your store, to check how it displays on any device. By clicking on Publish, any changes you've made will go public, after which you'll receive a link to your now finished store. There, you can navigate through your store just like a regular shopper, but thanks to the buttons in the dashboard, can also add or make changes to some content, i.e., add new products. It's possible to preview your store through a customer's eyes and make small changes. On the plus side, it's tough to make mistakes in Sellfy's store builder. Unfortunately, this comes almost entirely at the cost of your creative, design freedom, and the ability to personalize your store. Images, colors, fonts, and menus can be edited, and adding different subpages is possible. The uncomplicated nature of the default template also ensures that by adding other elements, you can create a store that fits your needs. With that said, don't get your hopes up about breaking the mold. For us, Sellfy is a lot like riding a bike with training wheels. Beginners, in particular, will appreciate the ability to create a sleek online store, without having to worry about all of the frills and dangers that can be associated with this. Our issue with Sellfy is that it wouldn't be difficult to provide this along with enhanced design options, such as more templates to choose from. Product management. Managing products can only be done through the similarly named submenu. There, you can select from digital products, freebies, subscriptions, and physical products. If you want to add a new product, you'll have to select one of these 4 types. Also included is a print-on-demand feature, which allows you to offer personalized items like t-shirts or coffee mugs. Unfortunately, as of the time of our review, this was still in an invite-only test phase. You can select from 4 different product types, with a 5th, print-on-demand, currently being tested. Creating a product is fairly straightforward. Simply name your item, describe it, and set a price. For subscriptions, include a payment cycle, upload images of the product, and if desired, specify which category the good should be assigned to. After this, all you'll need to do is input your delivery region and, optionally, an in-stock quantity before you start selling. We found the "pay what you want" feature to be a nice touch since it allows customers to set a sale price. You can provide a minimum price. Particularly when starting out, this feature is useful for drawing visitors to your store. When adding digital products, an upload window will appear in the product area. Here, Sellfy is fairly generous in comparison to other solutions, allowing files with a size of up to 10 GB to be uploaded. It's also possible to add product variants including unique names, images, and prices.